Click Auto Send Message. Click Enter your profile link of Instagram after paste link into file text.
Not a single day goes by, you be running through my mind.
At the same time, select the content and then select the accounts you want to message, then press Start and you're done.
Cause I'm hella frustrated, I know we had something special, baby.